Welcome to Kiddie Tales. Today we are going to learn alphabets. So let's start. A for aeroplane. B for bat. C for carrot. D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for hat. I for inkpot. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lamb. M for mango. N for nose. O for octopus. P for peacock. Q for quail. R for rainbow. S for ship. T for turtle. U for utensils. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yacht. Z for zoo.